Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet. Okay, so they want everyone to block off time in their calendars and get automatic reminders. Let me show you how to schedule a Google Meet session complete with date, time, guest, and meeting link. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open any browser of your choice, and in your browser's address bar, go ahead and type in meet.google.com and press enter. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click the sign in at the top right corner and enter your Google credentials. On the Meet homepage, go ahead and locate the big new meeting button in the center and click it to reveal three options, including create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, and schedule in Google Calendar. So go ahead and click on schedule in Google Calendar. A new tab opens with Google Calendar where you're going to see create events, the create event dialog. So this is opening. Now, this new tab, got it, thank you. So this new tab opens with the Google Calendar create event dialog, pre-populated with a meet link and conference settings. So I hope you can see this. So in the calendar event pane, go ahead and first of all add the title of the event. So what kind of event do you want to do? That you want to do add the title in the title field. Then here where you have event details, you have the date and time. So go ahead and select the date and the time. So 9:15:25, and you have this. So you can also change the time zone if you want to. And then add guests. You can click on find the time to find the time there. So choose a day, and so you have day here, day or week, all guests, and all of those stuff. Click here to edit it from this time, this date, edit your date, choose a different date and calendar, and choose a different time, what time to what time and what day. So set that in, and also add location if you want to add a location, and notification, when do you want to remind people. Go ahead and put that. Then in this description box, just paste agenda, attachment, and note. So you can use the notification, like I said, bell icon to set automatic reminders. Under okay, so under here where it says all day, when exactly do you want this reminder to be repeated? It says it does not repeat, or repeat daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or custom. And do you want it to keep repeating all day? You can go ahead and check the box right next to all day. So all right, so right next to join with Google Meet, head over here and click on this gear icon and adjust host controls if you need to, like who can join directly, all of these host controls. Go ahead and adjust that and click on host management and fix that for yourself. So join with Google Meet if you want to join that Google Meet. So I don't intend joining any meeting immediately, but that's pretty much how to do that. Of course, once you're done, go ahead and click on save at the top of the event pane, and when prompted, choose send to email invite to all guests, and each guest receives an email with the Meet link, calendar attachment, and join instructions. That's pretty much it. Also, an alternate quick method is to create a meeting for later. Click on new meeting and select create a meeting for later, and copy the generated link in the pop-up and paste it anywhere. Chat, email, or text participants. Click that link at the scheduled time to join. That's how you schedule a Google Meet call, complete with daytime, guests, and automatic reminders. Now your team will never miss a meeting. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.